What's up, guys? They're at Joann's, and I'm inspired. I'm gonna take a look around and see if we can find something. And maybe cover the back of the seats. I'll let you know what I find. Go ahead. I think I found the fabric. L8. 30% off. Look at that. That's perfect. That's exactly what I want. We'll keep looking, but we'll come back. We'll keep this in mind right here. Knit solid. L8 right here. That would look dope. Alright guys, so here we are. The second part of it. I'm gonna sand this down, clean this up, and then as you saw earlier, it's on the clip before this, we were at Joann's. I was at Joann's and I picked up some fabric, and I'm just gonna cover this up, and I'm hoping that it looks good. I wasn't gonna do it initially, but you know, I feel like I'm already headed towards that direction. I might as well just make an effort to make it look kind of pretty. And so this video is going to consist of that, and picked up the fabric for kind of expensive. It was like $14, but it was a specific type of fabric that I want. Joann's had it. It's beautiful. It's fleecy, kind of like Alcantara. It's beautiful. Man, I was surprised that they had this nice of a fabric. And then I went to Walmart and I found this. This is amazing. Almost exact replica of the pattern in my car, in our Corollas. And if you guys want that number, I can hit me up in the comments and I'll put that up. Maybe on my Instagram, you guys can find it. It's amazing. It's just absolutely amazing. This was only $7. But yeah, let's get going. Let's go ahead and clean that one up. I'm getting excited. Want to use this spray adhesive. Get that going and get my rear backing plates covered with nice fabric. Let's go. Alright guys, so here we are. Going to be using this Loctite spray adhesive. It's the lighter weight, good for fabrics, and I've already cut out the fabric itself, the shape of it, like this, and all I need is to glue it on. So here we go.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Alright guys, so thanks for watching. There you have it. We did both the seats today. They turned out nice, better than having the exposed, just the exposed plastic. Now it feels kind of plush, and I'm glad I made the decision to do it. They're not perfect, but they look much better. And I think in the next video I'm going to be taking the paint off the rear bumper. I bought the aircraft paint remover, so I've seen it done. My brother's done it to his JDM Zinky bumper. I've never personally taken paint off of a JDM bumper, and I'm hoping for good results. So if you guys want to see that process, if you've always wondered if you can take paint off of the OEM plastic bumpers, then stay tuned. And I'm glad you guys like this. Let me know what you guys think. I'm sure you guys will let me know, but I feel like it's an improvement. I wanted a set of Zinky bumpers, Zinky chairs to match my interior. I was trying to go all the way back to USDM Zinky Coupe Gray, but you do it what you have, and so after this, I think I might just keep the interior the way it is. It's nice and plush now. I think the next thing in my interior world that I'm gonna fix are these seats. They're pretty bashed. This place, these two head pieces are gone. That side's covered, but they're pretty bad. But I got this amazing. There it is right there. Pretty beat up. I might not do it myself. I might take it to like an upholstery shop to get a quote and see how much it is. But this material is spot on. Look at that. I got it at Walmart. So I think I might have shown it in the earlier clip, but pretty excited about that. I didn't expect to do this much to the interior, but for the channel's really motivated me to keep going. This is, every little thing you do, right, makes your car better. So I hope you guys enjoy that. And this material is amazing. It's perfect for what I wanted. So plush. I know that's I mean, these cars are never done. I bought this as well to do my mirrors, glazing and spot putty. I'm gonna redo all of this. All this like messed up stuff. There's a crack here, but I'm gonna fill all this in. There's a lot of pitting, and I'm gonna fill that in, sand it down, and then paint it gloss black to match all the trim that I just did. And as old school mentioned, I might as well have just taken this off and done it too. But like I said, my mom always said I like to do things the hard way, so that's the hard way. And still excited. Got a couple packages coming. Big reveal, and like next week, hopefully by the end of next week, I'll have something amazing to show you guys. Something that I've been wanting, I guess, for as long as they've come out, and I think it's gonna be the final thing I get as far as those items are concerned, and I'm gonna be pretty happy with them, I think. But yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. I mean, I'm gonna be doing a bunch of stuff, and so hopefully you guys enjoy that. Fingers crossed I get to go to JCCS. I'm not trying to win shows, but I am just gonna go show my car, hopefully meet a bunch of you guys, and by that time you guys will recognize me and say what's up. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my build so far. I'm glad I've been putting so much time into it. Car's coming along nicely, and I haven't decided if I was gonna wrap or paint the car, but I'll let you guys know. Take it easy, guys.